Hello and welcome to SNY Delicious Food. Today we are going to make tasty spaghetti bolognese. The details of ingredients are listed in the description below. However, the key ingredients are beef minced meat, 1 carrot cut in small cubes, tomato bolognese sauce bought from store, red pepper, yellow pepper, a handful of spring onion, a medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Put a pan on a medium heat, then add the minced meat. Use a wooden spoon to break and separate the mince in the pan. There is no need to use any oil at all, but keep stirring the meat in the pan to ensure it all changes color. You will see that the juice starts coming out of the meat. This will help to cook the minced meat. You just need to continue stirring. As you can see, my meat has all changed color and we have more juice coming out. And now the juice has started to dry out, leaving behind some oil, the fat that came from the meat. We will be using this to cook all our vegetables. Now you can add onion, then carrots in the pan, and just stir all together, making sure it's all mixed together. Stir for a few minutes, then add the yellow pepper, and we'll be adding the red pepper as well. Mix all together for a few minutes, then add the garlic. You can use fresh or dry garlic. Use a lid to cover the pan and bring to simmer for a few minutes. A few minutes later, remove the lid and mix all together. Then add spring onion. Mix everything together. Now you can add the beef stock to make sure the meat is cooked with a nice flavor. I'm adding now the nutmeg. As you continue to cook your vegetables, you'll notice that the carrot has become tender. And then you can add the tomato bolognese sauce. I've added about 500 grams of the tomato sauce. If you don't have tomato bolognese sauce both from store or from the shop, you can use chopped tomatoes. You can add black pepper to the mix and also basil. You can use any other herbs that you would like to add. Stir all very well together, then add half a glass of water. And a few minutes later, my minced meat will be ready. In a separate pan, add salt to boiled water and dry spaghetti. Stir the spaghetti very gently until it completely sinks in the water. I will now be checking my spaghetti. You'll notice that I've put a wooden spoon on a pan. This stops the pasta from boiling over. Now the spaghetti has been cooking for about 8 minutes and it is now time to drain it. You now need to drain the spaghetti without rinsing it. It is now time to serve and enjoy the spaghetti bolognese. Look at that. Lovely sauce, nice and juicy. Thanks very much for watching SNY Delicious Food. I hope you enjoy your meal. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.